Welcome. This is your time for deep conscious rest. Allow yourself to settle into this practice of Yoga Nidra, where the body rests profoundly while awareness remains gentle and present. Take whatever time you need now to make yourself perfectly comfortable. Lie on your back if possible, with the spine straight and long. Allow your legs to fall apart naturally. Feet at hip distance or wider. Toes releasing outward. Let the arms rest by your sides. Palms facing up. Fingers softly open. If it feels better, place a small pillow or a rolled blanket under your knees or head for support. Cover yourself with a blanket to stay warm and cocooned. Adjust anything now: pillow, blanket, position, so that you can remain still and effortless for the duration. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and let the body surrender to the surface beneath you. Bring your awareness to stillness. Notice you are already arriving here just as you are. Now softly open to the sounds around you. Listen without effort. What do you hear? Are there sounds from outside the room? Distant noises? Perhaps traffic, wind, perhaps silence. Let these sounds come and go like waves. Bring awareness closer now. Listen for sounds within the room. The subtle hum of the space you're in. Your own gentle presence here. Now turn inward. Listen to the sounds inside the body. The soft rhythm of your breath flowing in, flowing out. Perhaps you can discern the quiet pulse of your heart, steady and reassuring. No need to change anything. Simply listen. Be aware. Now gently bring to mind your sankalpa, your positive heart intention for this practice. Choose a short affirming phrase in the present tense. Something simple and true for you, such as, I rest deeply in peace, or I am peaceful and at rest, or whatever arises naturally in your heart right now. Take a moment and select your intention. Now repeat it silently to yourself 3 times with feeling and with quiet conviction, as if it is already true. Let the sankalpa rest in your awareness, like a gentle seed planted in fertile soil. Now, we invite a gentle rotation of awareness through the body, a loving scan to release and relax every part. Allow your attention to follow my voice. No effort, just noticing. And with each part, invite relaxation, softening, and release. Begin at the eyes. Bring awareness to your left eye. Feel the whole left eye, the eyelid, the eyeball, all the tiny muscles around and behind the left eye, softening, releasing, letting go. Bring awareness to the right eye. Feel the whole right eye, the eyelid, the eyeball, all the tiny muscles around and behind the right eye, softening, releasing, letting go. Notice both eyes together, heavy, relaxed, resting deeply. Move your attention to the nose, the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, your nostrils. Simply be aware. relaxing any subtle holding. Notice your lips, the upper lip, the lower lip, softening. The inside of your mouth, your inner left cheek, the inner right cheek, your upper teeth, your lower teeth, your gums, relaxing. Notice the tip of your tongue, the root of the tongue, softening. Move your attention to both jaws. Let the jaws hang loose. Notice your temples, the left temple, the right temple, softening. Move your attention to the scalp. Feel the scalp relaxing. Sensations arising, perhaps tingling, perhaps warmth. Allow the entire head to grow heavy, sinking into the pillow, heavy, relaxed. Put your awareness on the inside of the throat. Allow it to soften, releasing. Notice the neck and all of its supporting muscles, front, sides, back. Let go of any tension. Your neck now feeling heavy and supported. Now the shoulders. Notice your left shoulder, your right shoulder. Let them drop, melt, release. Upper arms, left upper arm, right upper arm, elbows, left elbow, right elbow, forearms, left forearm, right forearm, wrist, left wrist, right wrist, palms, left palm, right palm. Move to your left hand and notice your left thumb, left index finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, left pinky finger. Move to your right hand and notice your fingers, your right thumb, your right index finger, your right middle finger, your right ring finger, your right pinky finger. Notice the tops of both of your hands. Feel each whole arm. Your left arm, heavy, relaxed. Your right arm, heavy, fully relaxed, sinking into the surface. Both arms together, heavy, sinking at rest. Notice the chest, the left side of the chest, the right side of the chest, the middle of the chest, your heart inside. Notice any cords of tightness around the heart. Gently invite them to release. Soften. Open. Your heart resting and peaceful. Bring your attention to the torso. Awareness to the internal organs. Your stomach, your liver, the lungs, all internal organs softening, all tightness melting away, releasing and relaxing. Now the pelvis, softening and releasing. Move your awareness to your back, the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, the whole spine lengthened, supported, and relaxed. Move your attention to your legs, the hips, your left hip, your left thigh, front and back, your left knee, all around the knee, softening, your lower left leg, calf, shin, ankle, heel, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, your big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe, the whole left leg heavy, relaxed, sinking. Now, the right leg, your right hip, the right thigh, front and back, the right knee, all around the right knee, your lower leg, calf and shin, your ankle, heel and sole, top of the foot, and your toes one by one, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, and fifth toe, the whole right leg heavy, sinking, relaxed. Both legs together now, heavy and deeply relaxed. Notice the whole body, from the top of the head to the tips of the toes, and allow the entire body to sink deeper into profound rest. Heavy, supported, and safe. Visualize now a warm, soft light, golden or gentle and white, beginning at the crown of the head, slowly flowing down through the face, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, heart, torso, pelvis, legs, all the way to the soles of the feet, bathing every cell in warmth, in relaxation. Now, this light gently reverses, flowing upward from the feet, through the legs, pelvis, torso, and gathering at the heart, resting there, a soft glow, peaceful, nurturing. Your body is now in a deeply restful state, receiving the profound benefits of deep sleep, even as awareness remains quietly present, conscious, yet effortless. There is nothing more to do, nothing to achieve. Simply rest here as long as you wish. It is now perfectly fine to completely drift off to sleep, allowing the practice to carry you into natural, healing rest. Or, if you prefer, remain here in this deep relaxation for as long as feels good. And when you're ready to arise, do so slowly, gently, carrying this peace with you. Sweet dreams, sweet rest. Namaste.